This time, I will walk you through data visualization. The reason we created a data visualization is to improve user convenience by making it really easy for you to have a visual understanding of complex data. Two important functions are provided here. This is Data Path View. Let me explain further by doing a demo for you. First, select multiple instances. You can change the date. The first axis can be any one of the four: elapsed time, CPU time, logic reads, and physical reads. And the second axis can be schema, program, or module. The third can be program or module. And the fourth is SQL. What does this screen show us intuitively? We can easily identify which of the 5 instances we selected had highest workload in terms of elapsed time by looking at the lengths of the bars. We can also tell which schema worked the most, which module worked the most, and which SQL worked the most, also by looking at the lengths of the bars. One great advantage of the data path view is that it gives you a very simple overview of proportions based on many criteria. Another advantage is that it makes it very easy to analyze the data associations. For example, here you can see the schemas performed in this instance. The modules performed by the schema, and the SQL performed in the module. You can easily analyze such things. For example, when you click a schema called Sol, the instances that performed this schema, the modules performed in this schema, and SQL performed in this module are provided. When you click a particular module called New Order, the schemas and instances that performed this module and SQLs performed in this module. And when you select in SQL, the modules, schemas, and instances that performed this SQL are provided. Generally, we talk about analysis method like top-down and bottom-up. This data path view offers both top-down analysis and bottom-up analysis. It also gives you bidirectional linked analysis as shown here. The most common usage to find out whether job partitioning is done efficiently when there are multiple RAC nodes. For example, whether a specific module is performed well in a specific instance only. Whether a specific SQL is performed well in a specific instance only. In other words, whether job partitioning is done well can be checked using the data path view. Based on the proportion of the workloads, you can make decisions for job allocation and job partitioning between the modules. Another function is that, for example, you can select just one instance and do a comparative analysis between multiple dates. Let's view the last week's history for one instance. As you can see, only the left axis has changed. Left axis lets you view the ratio by date. The workload was the highest on January 23rd. You can also view daily workload by schema. Daily workload by module. And daily workload by SQL. The second screen for you to look at is the Hotspot View. Let me also do a demo to explain the Hotspot View. Select 5 instances and do a search for yesterday. Then, you can view CPU usage of each instance of yesterday, which are divided into 24 hours. This is quite useful when DBAs come to work in the morning and want to check yesterday's status for various instances that they manage. Dragging a segment with high usage takes you to a one-day summary view. Let's return to data visualization. If you wish to view the last 1 month's data for a particular instance, change the search conditions like this and do the search. This screen lets you easily identify peaks of particular instances by date and by time period. That's all for the Hotspot View.